I'm Conrad Gasquet. This is your coronavirus midday update, giving you the latest look at things going on across the state of Alabama and across the nation. Happening right now, congressional leaders are talking about the coronavirus stimulus package. This, of course, was approved by the Senate yesterday. The House will now have to consider that. We'll give you a look at this while I'm delivering these updates for you throughout the course of this broadcast. We have the latest numbers, which just came in the last 30 minutes ago or so for coronavirus numbers across the state of Alabama. 283 confirmed cases in the state right now. 99 of those are in Jefferson County, still the county with the most confirmed cases of COVID-19. Shelby County has the second most cases, 36 in Shelby County. We still have 10 in Tuscaloosa. There are now 28 counties affected by the coronavirus across the state of Alabama. More than 2,800 people have been tested. So still high numbers of testing and a lot of people across the state affected by this. Fortunately, still no deaths in the state of Alabama, so that is good news in this situation, that we still have no one who has died from the coronavirus in the state of Alabama, but continuing to follow these numbers each day and with these updates throughout the course of the day. Another update coming up a little bit later that you will have access to on CBS42.com. Tuscaloosa Mayor Walt Maddox holding a press conference at 2 o'clock and then a virtual town hall at 3 o'clock. Again, Tuscaloosa County has 10 cases of COVID-19, and you can hear the latest updates from Walt Maddox at 2 o'clock and then at 3 o'clock with the information that he is providing about what the city of Tuscaloosa is doing to handle this situation. Again, the press conference at 2 o'clock and the virtual town hall coming up at 3 o'clock. Some of the other updates, the city of Birmingham under a shelter-in-place ordinance. This went into effect last night as Birmingham Mayor Randall Woodfin proposed this idea during the city council meeting yesterday. It was approved yesterday afternoon by the city council. There's sort of a 24-hour grace period for people to kind of, get everything in place and make sure that they are ready for this. But again, there, as we have talked about on our shows throughout the course of the day, there are a lot of things that people are still going to be able to do. You will not be restricted from buying groceries. You can still go buy groceries. You can still go to doctor's appointments, essential tasks like that. And you can even get out and get exercise. The main thing is that you will not be able to congregate in groups. So that's, essentially what the Birmingham police, as they enforce this, are going to be looking for. It's one thing if, people are walking around the neighborhood, getting exercise, doing something like that. It's another thing if people are kind of clustering together, having gatherings like that. That is something that it does appear that they're going to enforce. We have some information from the Birmingham police on our website right now, a press release that they sent out regarding that, related to how they're handling this situation. But Birmingham, the first city in the state of Alabama to put an order like this in place, to shelter in place, doing everything they can to try to prevent the coronavirus from spreading throughout the city of Birmingham. As mentioned, Jefferson County has the most cases of any county in the state, currently with 99. We're continuing to see the impact on restaurants. We've seen a number of restaurants announce that they are either closing permanently or temporarily. In most cases, it has been temporary, but there have been a couple permanent closures as well. One of the places closing temporarily right now, directly affected by the coronavirus, a Chick-fil-A in Alabaster, closing this morning after an employee there tested positive for COVID-19. So closing to clean, closing to make sure that that doesn't spread any farther than it already has. So those are some of the latest updates that we have at this time. Once again, it's our daily, twice daily update as we take a look at different things going on related to the coronavirus